What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish. Thank you for tuning in to another video, man. 2022, we're trying to make it big, all sorts of content, and level it up and keep producing so much more videos for you guys to watch, and that is a lot better too, entertaining and all that. This Honda Accord needs some fixing up too, so I don't know if you guys want to see projects on that, how-tos and whatnot, and get this thing running as like a little daily. Yeah, if you guys want to see something on that, let me know. Today we are going to Barry's, which is the engine builder. He does porting and assembles motors. He's the one that's rebuilding my K24 at the moment. He sent some pictures and whatnot, but I gotta drop off the final parts, which is over here. For valve stems, timing chain kit, exhaust and intake valve seals, piston rings, a couple other little things. So yeah, we are starting off early. It is Tuesday, about 7:30 a.m. and it takes like 2.5 to 3 hours to get there. So I think in Deltona or Daytona or something, but yeah, we are going to be taking the Prius, so I got to load everything up right now. This is just an introduction before we left, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Maybe he's got something going, maybe assembling some stuff. Stay tuned for that, guys. So we got everything packed away. I brought an extra oil pan with the bung valve cover to swap out, and I brought all the rest of the stuff right here. Bad crank, a spare crank that he may be able to take use of, piston rings, valve stems, intake exhaust seals. I'm giving him a different head because this one is much cleaner and less cleaning to do. So I'm just gonna do that, and the other one's painted, so I want everything to match. Got the timing chain kit. We gotta get this packed away and get going because traffic keeps adding on time. So better start going now. Peace. So that's how our trip went so far on our way to Deltona. 3-hour ride. I was keeping up with fucking traffic, dude. I was in the right lane. There was like a bunch of motherfuckers going slow, and I did exactly what a couple other motherfuckers do. Go on the middle lane. This truck in front of me did the same thing. Dude said I was going 90 in the 70, but I literally was like at 80. I was keeping up with fucking traffic. Everyone else is going the same speed. Yeah, $167 ticket right there. It's not like penalized on insurance and whatnot, but I think I'm gonna try and fight it. Bullshit.
But we're still good. Ain't stopping it.
Yeah, it's just really fucking annoying because, you know, $160, your boy ain't got like money to be throwing like that. So I'm gonna try to fight it, see what's good. Yeah, man, I was just keeping up with everybody else, but he decided to pull me over, me in the Prius. So we shall see, but we are like 30 minutes or so away from Barry's, so I'll update you guys some more when we get there. Hopefully show you guys a thing or two. Uplift these vibes, bro. Alright, y'all, so we finally made it to Barry's. Just waiting for homeboy to come out. He's popping up at the garage right now, so let's go.
Mine did the same thing on my Del Sol because the heat.
So we're finally here at Barry's. Got all this stuff going. This is the thing he's working on for his RSX you guys were raving about. And this is my motor that's getting rebuilt. It's all clean. Crank goes smoothly. Everything's cleaned down. My original head that I brought, because it's a lot cleaner and work with, they cleaned this down. Him and Devin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one I gave him at first, but you guys could see how damn dirty it is. And yeah, and it's painted. That block isn't painted. Might as well give him a fresh head so it matches.
Look at that.
Yeah, we put a price on that. Came out to $6 grand. Yeah, because the head, there's 3,300 tied up in the head. With the cams, there's stage 4.5 cams.
So you put a ported head in it too?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You guys didn't know? You guys need some port work. He does porting jobs. You better
Heck
show
yeah.
how clean it is.
That's one of my signature series heads.
So we got another buddy, the TSX, David Ward. You guys probably see him on the pages a lot. Yes sir, nice boosted. I know you guys love boosted builds, especially the TSXs, because there's not enough info on these, and I can't wait to do mine myself so I can record it all and show you guys. But once he fully has it together and whatnot, we'll definitely do a more of a general video of it, and a walk around review. I like the brown. Damn, look at all this shit you got going. I'm fucking with the brown, man. It actually suits the TSX well. Barry, the motor builder. David right there. He's doing all his own paint work and body work and things like that. He's got a Rocket Bunny wing spoiler he's putting on. Precision turbo. Ooh, damn, that sounds good. Being in a TSX, I haven't been in boosted well. I was in a CO2, but I was like up and down the street for 2 minutes.
Yeah, it's a totally different car.
And it wasn't even
Driving
hitting boost either.
It feels like I'm driving a hatchback.
Yeah, I need some boost, man. Is this like a wrap type of thing?
Wrap under with epoxy on it, and then
Keep it safe and clean.
one coat of tinted clear and 2 coats of just straight up clear.
That's a satisfying noise. And being in a boosted TSX feels different, and I'm excited to get my rebuild back in, then get my boosted build going. So, whew. Just hearing that turbo, man. That's better than that VTEC.
Yeah, you could completely ignore the VTEC with the turbo.
You guys gonna enjoy this flyby, man. That shit is sick for sure. That was sick, man. Just, ooh, I can't wait till I hit boost and be back in my TSX, man. And really get speeding tickets. It's like, nah. Sheesh. That was fun. That shit sounds nice. Definitely.
Back because I ain't living
You
in
know
it.
you're not. A couple years ago, it was about 5 years ago, for like $1,800 to do some breakdowns.
We just left Barry's, dropped everything off, and he said maybe by this weekend he should have it all together if all goes, well in his timing and all that. But yeah, guys, super excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed that ride along with David Ward. You guys probably know David Ward from the Facebook groups and whatnot. He's in there a lot. That's his boosted TSX, first boost build. He's got this boost build together, and it was his first time doing it and whatnot. So far, so good. It sounds sick. He still got some things to do, like the body work, painting, and things he's, touching up. But so far, it's coming out mad cool. Can't wait till he's fully finished so we can do a full-on review and ride along. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you for tuning in to this TSX drop-off rebuild update video and ride along again. Each time we come here, ride along another TSX. Hope you guys enjoy that. Finally made it back home. Like 6 hours of driving today practically. Maybe like 5, 6, yeah, 6. Pretty expensive little trip, because including, the speeding ticket and whatnot. $160 here is right there. And we took the Prius for the, reason of all the tolls we paid with, you know, going with the Civic and how much gas we spent. Now here we are with the tickets. So it didn't really save us any money, but hey, we got good news, we got good updates. And Barry, if you're watching this, man, big shout out to you. This was a blessing in disguise. We're just dealing with so much bullshit, so many speed bumps and roadblocks, and people just, I don't know, not wanting my money, not wanting to help me and progress or something. Because in CT, I reached out to countless of people, and people are just all talking. Barry, he's doing his thing, man. He said by this weekend probably that it should be all done and we could go pick it up. So if all goes smoothly, this weekend I could go pick it up and we could finally start putting this back together. Hopefully get the car up and running sooner rather than later, because we've been down for a long time, because I was expecting to be done in CT. You know, I thought things were gonna get to stepping, but it never was. And I have some new parts sitting, which now I'm thinking about I need to sell just to get extra funds going. Stay tuned for new plans, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big shout out to you, Barry. If you guys need any port work or whatever, but he's been getting a lot of work, so sometimes he wants it, sometimes he doesn't, because he be doing his thing. So blessing in disguise. I'm thankful we found Barry, and a true OG that takes kind to his craft to the T. So no bullshitting. There's nothing too high. He treats everyone's motor as if it was his, like it's going into his car. So I know we're in good hands, and it's definitely a better route, and I get a whole, basically a fresh new motor. So I'm super excited about that, and this might be the motor we end up boosting. So you guys like the sound of that, subscribe, you know? Because, after today with David's TSX, man, just feeling that boost and hearing that turbo spool and let off, and oh my God. That just got me eager to get back on the road and then start my process of the turbo build. But I need to be driving up and running for a while and not, bring it back down again for a while. So let's just get this content flowing. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. Appreciate you for all the support, and stay tuned for next video. Peace.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see,